Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mix right here, and basically what this is a windscreen muffler. So you basically actually put this onto like the microphone from this brand right here, which is the SR-XM1. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically a little mini microphone where you actually plug it onto like your DSLR, or if you guys want to plug this onto your camera like I'll have it right now, you can definitely put this on there. And basically what the benefits of using this product here is to actually block off some of the wind and also saliva or spit when you guys are talking directly onto the microphone. So basically if you guys plan on using your microphone a lot outdoor where it's super windy, you definitely want to get one of these to install it on the microphone. So you guys can definitely get like the best audio and you don't have to worry about any wind or saliva or spit getting into your microphone. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually open this up to give you guys a better point of view of the product, and then we'll install this onto the microphone to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they definitely have the logo right here, and then right here you can see they have this furry part right here to give you guys that protection and everything once you guys set it up to block off any saliva, spit, or wind or whatever. And then this part right here, you basically want to insert it into the microphone. And currently I actually have that microphone set up on the camera that I'm using right now. So I'm going to take it out and then show you guys how to actually set it up. Alright, so I just removed the microphone, so if the audio does not sound that great, I apologize for the inconvenience. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. So what I'm going to do is move this part right here first. Just like that. Once you guys take it out, you guys can put this inside right here. Make sure it goes all the way in. Alright, so once you guys have it all set up, this is basically what the product looks like. So now if I actually put this back on my camera and actually record stuff, and if there's like any wind or saliva or whatever, it should lower like the noise or saliva or the wind or whatever. So as you can hear right now, I actually blow directly to the microphone right here. You could probably hear like the wind and everything. But now let me try again, but with this microphone right here. Alright, so I just finished putting back the microphone onto the camera. If you guys can hear, the audio definitely sounds a lot better. But now let me try again and try to blow directly onto the microphone to show you guys what it actually sounds like. Alright, so you can definitely see that there is a pretty big difference when you guys use the regular microphone without using a windscreen muff. Definitely having one of these wind muffler is actually really convenient. So that way when you guys are recording outdoors, you don't have to worry about any of the wind, the saliva, the spit, or whatever. Basically a lot of the unwanted noise will not get onto the microphone, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys plan on using this a lot for like recording outdoors where it gets super windy, then it's definitely super worth it to get one of these. So that way you just get like the best audio when you guys are recording outdoors or indoor. Basically anywhere where your surroundings is actually really windy, this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.